Here is another true story. Then I'll tell you the story in Spanish. And within a minute and a half, you'll learn some Spanish, making the connection between the two and also having some fun. Here's the story. When I was in elementary school, a friend, a classmate from the other corner of the classroom, threw a sharpener, and I put my pocket just like that, and it landed right there, several feet away. We didn't even try again because we knew it was not gonna happen, or it was just too cool. And we remember to this day that classmate did a nice job. It was amazing. It landed in the pocket of my shirt. En Spanish. Cuando era niño en la escuela, un compañero de clase me tiró un sacapuntas o maquinilla y quedó en la bolsa de la camisa. Exactamente, fue un tiro perfecto. Y desde ese momento lo sigo recordando y fue impresionante. Have you ever experienced very cool things like that from your childhood or memories that you remember? Let me know, and I hope you learned something. And please feel free to share new words you learned or that you heard for the first time. Thank you. Bye. Another story so you can learn and the story in English, then in Spanish, and then you make connections. And let's go. My brother, he liked to play with marbles. He loved. I did too, but he was much better than me and many other kids at school. I don't have any particular memories of who was the best, but my brother was certainly one of them. And he could have been the best. I just don't remember. And he made competitions with the other kids, and he won many of those competitions. And the prize were many marbles that they put together a few, and whoever was the winner took them all, and he did that many times. So, en español, mi hermano, cuando estábamos en la escuela, jugaba con bolinchas y participaba en competencias con los otros niños. Y ellos juntaban sus bolinchas y el ganador se quedaba con todas. Y él ganó esto muchísimas veces. Entonces, no recuerdo quién era el mejor, pero mi hermano era sin duda uno de los mejores. Habían diseños impresionantes, very impressive designs de marbles, y él tenía una gran habilidad. He was very skilled. Ok, muchas gracias. Bye. Otra historia. Another story from my young teen age. As I was teenager, 12, 13, something like that. My brother and I, with other kids around the same age, we went to visit a friend of the family in the mountains, and we visited a beautiful river where people could take a swim, and we were jumping from I don't know the name of this in English specifically, but it's like a cliff, not that high, but like a couple feet high enough to make it exciting, and we will jump into the water. However, I made a mistake and I jumped in the wrong place, and the water was too shallow, and I didn't get up. My brother and the other kids took me out, and I was so happy that again he saved my life. So I was very I was very sore in Spanish. Mi hermano y yo fuimos a visitar a un amigo a la montaña donde había un río muy hermoso para bañarnos y saltábamos de una peña y cuando yo salté el agua estaba muy bajita, very shallow, muy baja. Entonces me golpeé y no me podía levantar porque estaba muy adolorido. I was under pain, muy adolorido. Entonces mi hermano y los otros chicos, los otros niños, me sacaron del agua. Again, my brother saved me. Bye. Otra historia para aprender en español. True story, when I was a teen for many years and almost being a young adult, I loved sports and I was very disciplined. I put my body through a lot of physical pain. Not that it will harm me, but it will push me enough so that I could see improvements. And I would wake up very early in the morning. Specifically, I like football, not football soccer, as we practice that the most in Costa Rica. And then I like boxing too, so I would practice running and being in good physical form and shape. But that's something that I experienced and I saw the benefits of hard work, and that was kind of fun. I like learning about my body and seeing how much I could do. En español. Cuando era adolescente me gustaban mucho los deportes. Me gustaba mucho el fútbol y el boxeo también. Despertaba muy temprano en la mañana y entrenaba y me gustaba esforzarme al máximo. Me encantaba ver cómo el esfuerzo que yo le ponía me daba resultados. Trataba de no maltratar mi cuerpo, pero de una manera que me hiciera daño, pero que me hiciera progresar y ver resultados. Y despertaba muy temprano, me encantaba eso y fue una experiencia muy bonita. What words did you learn? Did you practice? Let me know. Thank you.